Hey you guys, welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look. If you guys want to see how I did that, then please continue to watch. Hey you guys, I would like to send a special thank you to Rose Forever New York for sending me over this lovely rose package. These roses are so fresh, they smell amazing. They would make the best gift, or it would make the best gift for a loved one during Valentine's Day, to a friend, or to a parent, specifically a mom, especially with us having Mother's Day coming up around the corner as well, and Valentine's Day just next week. The most amazing part about the roses is that they are preserved. So with proper care, and as long as they're not in direct sun contact and you don't take them out in the elements, they can last for a year or longer. They also provide worldwide shipping, and I think that this is right on time for Valentine's Day. Look at just how beautiful this bouquet is. You guys, look at how cute my box is. The black is throwing off my color, but how pretty. These are so cute. This is a perfect gift. And my birthday is on Valentine's Day, so like, I just love this. I'm like, oh, so pretty. I love that it comes in the shape of a heart, and I can't wait to utilize it as a centerpiece for my living room. You guys, so I do already have on my primer, which I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I think I may go back to the putty when I'm done with this bottle. I do still really like this, but I want something that's also going to fill in my pores. I do have really large pores. I'm working on it, but this is our skin, and we do what we can with what we have. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, I think I may go ahead and do my brows really quickly off camera. I am going to be using this Moira brow pencil that I got from the beauty supply, and I'm going to be concealing my brows with my Milani concealer. Now that the brows are complete, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and today I'm going to be mixing two. This may not be the right color, but I'm mixing the Morphe and my MAC foundations together. Hopefully this isn't too dark, because I have a warm one that is a bit too dark and one that's like perfect. Mixing the two on the back of my hand like this, just using the end of the brush that I used to clean up my brows, and then we're going to apply this all over the face. My only concern is I don't want it to oxidize too much. I'm going in with my Morphe E63 brush, and I'm just going to use that to pick up any foundation I have left on my skin and start to blend this in. I like to do patting motions so that I'm able to maintain as much coverage as possible. I can already see it's starting to get a little red, but that's okay. I am going to go in and highlight the skin as well. I could have just did the MAC foundation by itself, but I really love the finish of this Morphe foundation. I think it just made it a little too red. Oh my God, I like a little lupa. It's not gonna be that bad. I'm gonna fix it. We're going to fix it better for my skin in the summertime. So I think that when I use it in the summertime, it'll look really good. What's crazy is I usually never conceal the top of my brows, but I wanted like a really clean brow today. So this is what the foundation is looking like so far. Don't be startled, it's okay, we're gonna fix it. Now I'm gonna go back in with that same Milani concealer that we used for the brows, and I'm applying this under the eyes, down the center of the nose. You can still see some of my regular skin tone right here on the tip. Looks really light. Around the mouth, under the cheekbone, and a little bit on the forehead. And this is just because we're rebalancing out the face, because the foundation is really warm. I didn't think it was gonna get that warm. And I'm also going to use, I have a brand new tube of this Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, and I want to use a little bit of this as well, just like that. While we allow this a little bit of time to get tacky, I don't really need to contour today because it's just not needed. And I don't think I'm going to do liquid blush either. So I'm going to go in with my clean beauty sponge, and I'm going to start by blending in the forehead, the center of the nose, the chin, and around the mouth. And I like my clean beauty sponges dry because I feel like it doesn't pick up as much product, and if you want to keep as much coverage as possible, it's best to do it with a sponge that's not super wet. Now I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend in the concealer under the cheekbones. So now that we have a lot of concealer blend in everywhere that we applied it to balance the face back out, you guys, we're gonna fix it. You know what I'm saying? It's already looking better, but now I'm gonna go ahead and blend in the under eye. And once I'm done setting both of my under eyes, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush and just make sure to blend out the edges. We don't want any harsh lines. And then I'm going to be using one of my clean powder puffs and my one size translucent powder. I'm actually going to go buy a big one for a little birthday gift to myself because this is what I use. And I need to go get some more Milani concealers as well because they are by far my favorite. I'm also going to set the forehead, anywhere I've applied the concealer, as well as my brows, around the mouth, all of it. Apply it everywhere, basically. I really need to find the rest of my makeup brushes. Honestly, don't know where I put them all. I'm gonna have to keep looking because they're somewhere in the set. So now that we have everything set, the blushes I'm going in with today are Juvia's Place Volume 4 and Volume 5. I want something like pink, but I also love the corals in the Volume 5. They're so pretty. So I'm gonna take a little angled blush brush and I'm going to dab it into the lower lighter shades in both palettes. And it's gonna give me the prettiest pink. Not too warm, not too neutral, nice and soft. Love this combo. And I always put blush on my nose as well as my chin, like that. Now additionally, I'm going to be using some of my Sephora Micro Smooth powders, and they are really just like the MAC Mineralized Skin Finishes. They're like a fraction of the price, and they're really good. So I have 3 colors. I have one to highlight. I have one that's kind of like my skin tone, but it's pretty warm. I still really like it, and I think I'll still use it on, well, I don't need to use it today. But if my foundation that I mixed in wasn't super warm, then I would have used that one as well. But I'm also going in with this deeper shade to contour the face as well. So for the lighter shade, I'm just going to take my little powder puff. I'm going to rub that on there to brighten it right there. Just like that. That's it. And then I'm going to go in with, this is brand new, so let me open this up. I have not used this shade yet. This is in Sienna. Open this one up, and I might mix the two because this is kind of red, but I'm probably gonna mix the two just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna go in, and these kick back quick, so be careful. They're very finely milled. I'm just going to work that up the sides of the nose and into the crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side. I love warmth in my crease. Beautiful. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to apply my blush, and I'm going to mix those 2 colors once again. And I'm going to work that under my cheeks, around the perimeter of my face, under my chin, and then just dust off any powder from the brows that we had, like that. And then now I'm just going to go in with a Real Technique brush and blend away that powder from under the eye. So this is what the face is looking like. I'm going to apply some highlighter. I'm using Cheeky Bronze by MAC, and I love this because it has those pretty rosy tones to it. And I just feel like for the video we're doing, this is perfect. So I'm just gonna take some on a brush, and I'm going to lightly dust it on my brow bone on both sides, and a little on the tip of my nose, like that. Some on the Cupid's bow. Like that, and a bit on the chin. So that's what that's looking like right now. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with some mascara, and I'm using the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. Let's go ahead and apply this. Just a thin layer, because I'm also going to apply some strips today. Just like that. Again, not too much mascara. We don't need a lot since we are applying lashes. Guys, so I am back, and I put my lashes on. I ate a taco with leftover corn and protein from last night that I used for our salads, and I was like, instead of me making more and also chopping up salad right now, my wife gets off in an hour. We're not doing that because I'm gonna have to make dinner as well. So I'll just put it in a tortilla, and voila, we have a taco. And I'm very satiated. I ate half of a little protein bar. We're good to go. Drink some water. We're good. So what I'm going to do now is apply my lip combo. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Limitless Brown. I need to get a new one of these soon. It's wearing down. I really want to do the newer version of this where it's like super long wear, and I want to see if it actually is worth the price difference. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and outline our lips. I rub my lips together to spread it on the top as well. Saves you a lot of lip liner. And I do have a little bit of conditioner on my lips, so that definitely helps for it to spread easier. Alrighty. Now that we have the liner on, I'm gonna go in with my glosses. I think I'm leaning towards this Cupcake gloss from Fenty. Let's see. I think it's too pigmented. Let's not do that one. Instead, I'm going to do one of my Drip Glass, is it glazed? Yeah, my Drip Glass glazed glosses from Morphe. That is a mouthful. And this is in Glint of Pink. This one is really pretty. It's so pink, but when you put it on, oh my God, it looks so good. Rub your lips together. I love a good pinky brown. It looks so good. And just, I'm cleaning up the edges just like that. And let me go let down my hair, and I'll be back with the full look. You guys, this is going to be the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And let me know down below what you guys want to see next time. Be sure to thumbs this video up so I know that you like these type of videos. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.